Eleanor, our two-toed Linnaeus sloth. Linnaeus's two-toed sloths are native to tropical rainforests of South America, where they spend most of their lives high up in their trees. And despite the name two-toed sloth, Eleanor actually has 2 toes on her front feet and 3 toes on her back feet. The name comes from those 2 large curved claws on the front, which are perfect for gripping onto branches. Sloths are famous for being slow, but there's a reason for that. Their diet mainly consists of leaves along with some fruits and other plant material. Leaves don't provide a lot of energy, so sloths have a very slow metabolism and conserve as much energy as possible throughout the day. They'll actually sleep 18 to 20 hours per day. They also have a specialized multi-chambered stomach that helps them digest all of that tough plant material. Digestion can take days or even weeks, sometimes up to a month, to digest any one food item. Being slow can make it difficult to escape from predators, so sloths have some pretty unusual ways of staying hidden. In the wild, algae can actually grow within the grooves of their fur, sometimes giving them a greenish tint that helps them blend into the leaves and branches around them. Their fur can also support an entire tiny ecosystem of algae, fungi, and insects. Sloths also produce very little noticeable body odor compared with many mammals. Combined with their slow movement and camouflage, that can make them much harder for predators to notice while they're resting in the trees. Two-toed sloths are primarily nocturnal, meaning they tend to be more active in the evening and at night. They're also surprisingly strong. Those long arms and curved claws allow them to hang comfortably from branches for long periods of time. And while sloths might look a little clumsy on the ground, they're actually excellent swimmers. They can move through the water much more efficiently than they can move across the land. Sloths even have some pretty unusual bathroom habits. In the wild, they usually climb all the way down from the trees to use the bathroom, typically only about once a week before climbing right back up again. They get a quick boost of adrenaline after going to the bathroom so they can get back up that tree really quickly. That way they aren't vulnerable to predators for very long. Eleanor may spend plenty of her day relaxing, but everything about a sloth, from her slow metabolism and unusual fur to those giant curved claws, is perfectly designed for life among the trees. And that's Eleanor, but sloths in the wild face threats like habitat loss, forest fragmentation, and human development. Organizations like the Sloth Conservation Foundation work to protect wild sloths by studying their populations, restoring rainforest habitat, and creating safer connections between areas of forest. Protecting sloths also helps protect the entire rainforest ecosystem that so many other species depend on. Go to the website to see how you can support sloth conservation in the wild. If you want to support Eleanor and all the other animals here at Westminster Farm, go join our Patreon. On our Patreon, we have different membership tiers where you can get early access appointment, behind-the-scenes content, and Animal of the Month merch every month. And as always, thank you so much for watching.